That is why sometimes, parents, they come, they say, give us a unique name, something different, something that others, will find it unique. So some people, actually, I have heard some scholars, they speak against that. But if you look at the ayat of the Quran, it's actually something that every parent would desire for. Because لَمْ نَجْعَلْ لَهُ مِنْ قَبْلِ سَمِيعٍ. Allah Ta'ala Himself is saying that we have concealed this name of Anbiya alayhi salam, meaning we gave him a unique name. The Prophet ﷺ also got a unique name. His grandchildren had a unique name. So to have a unique name is not something that a person should condone or look down upon, but the meaning should be good. Sometimes in finding a unique name, we find that the meaning is not right. So what happens? The meaning has an effect on the child. So looking for the name, obviously you can name your Anbiya alayhi salam. The names of Anbiya alayhi salam are encouraged. The names of Sahaba are encouraged. Why? Because those qualities then can transpire or inspire the child.